Ford has just pulled off a move that has sent shock waves through the global auto industry. And the biggest surprise is it challenges the very companies that thought they were leading the electric revolution. While the world races to build electric vehicles, Ford has introduced something that could flip the script entirely. At a time when rivals were locked in battles over battery range and charging speed, Ford was quietly working on an engine that could question the dominance of petrol, diesel, and even electric power in the years to come. This isn't just another engine built for performance or efficiency, it's a breakthrough that could redefine the way the auto industry looks at the future. Ford isn't new to rewriting the rules. With over a century of history, the company has transformed mobility more than once. But this time, the step is so bold that it has even made industry giants pause and pay attention. Ford has shown that the game isn't only for startups. Legacy players can still reset the field if they're willing to think big. So what exactly is in this engine that has everyone talking? Is it simply another model launch? Or could it be the beginning of a true revolution? Before diving into the details of this groundbreaking innovation, let's take a closer look at how Ford has repositioned itself on the global stage. This 120-year-old giant has re-emerged as a serious contender, standing toe-to-toe with today's biggest names in electric and hybrid technology. The transformation began with a bold shift in strategy. Once focused almost entirely on petrol and diesel, Ford started pouring investments into electrification. But its real edge lies in its production power. With manufacturing hubs across the United States, Europe, China, and India, Ford can deliver vehicles around the globe with an efficiency that many competitors can't match. What also sets Ford apart is its variety. From America's best-selling pickup, the F-150, to electric SUVs like the Mustang Mach-E that rival Tesla, Ford has carved out a strong presence across both commercial and family markets. But in today's world, building cars is only half the battle. The way you connect with customers is just as important. Ford has stepped up here too, expanding digital sales platforms, offering online bookings, and delivering software updates directly through the internet, bringing a seamless, modern experience to its drivers. Ford has breathed new life into its legacy. Beyond cars, it's investing heavily in the future, building massive gigafactories, advancing battery research, and strengthening its sustainability game. Today, Ford isn't just a car company, it's a global innovator, proving that even a century-old brand can reinvent itself with fresh thinking. And now, let's talk about the centerpiece of this reinvention, the engine that's keeping competitors awake at night. Ford's EcoBoost technology. This isn't your typical engine. It's been designed with precision to deliver the punch of a larger motor while cutting down fuel use. In short, more power, less cost. The secret lies in two innovations, turbocharging and direct fuel injection. The turbocharger recycles exhaust gases to push more air into the engine, squeezing out serious performance even from smaller builds. Direct fuel injection, on the other hand, ensures every drop of fuel is used with maximum efficiency, boosting output while reducing waste. The EcoBoost family comes in multiple sizes, starting with a compact 1-liter that produces a surprising 123 horsepower scaling up to 1.5 liters, with 181 horsepower and mid-range options, like the 2-liter and 2.3-liter delivering 250 to 310 horsepower, and for heavy-duty needs, there's the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, powerful enough to rival a V8, but with far better fuel efficiency. This is Ford's message to the industry. Intelligent engineering can deliver performance, efficiency, and sustainability all in one package. Clearly, Ford has shown how to build technology intelligently, more power with less fuel, and less pollution. The EcoBoost is truly an engine that's built for today's needs. Ford's EcoBoost engines understand the needs of today's times very well. These engines are for those who want strong power, good mileage, and at the same time, minimal damage to the environment. Whether you are driving a small car or a heavy truck, EcoBoost technology is useful in every situation. No compromise in power, no compromise in fuel savings. The situation is different in the UK. There are strict regulations there, and every car company has to adapt to the environment. Ford has invested £24 million to build a powerful EV testing lab at its Dutton campus. This lab has 8 test rooms that run 24 hours a day so that every engine can be tested for years of use. This ensures that whether the engine is electric, hybrid, or petrol, it will last a long time and perform well. Now let's come to America. People here love trucks and Ford knows this very well. So, they introduced the electric version of their popular truck called the F-150 Lightning. This vehicle created a stir as soon as it was launched. More than 70,000 people booked it in just 1 week. And the interesting thing is that 90% of them chose its most expensive variant and 80% opted for the long-range battery. This clearly shows that people want power and luxury along with technology. Ford's game plan is to keep a pulse on each country, focus on low cost in China, strengthen green technology in the UK, and focus on powerful trucks and vehicles in the US based on consumer preferences. But the goal is not just to make cars. Ford wants to create an ecosystem that includes EV vehicles, charging points, locally manufactured batteries, and, everything done in a sustainable way. Ford's Blue Oval City factory in Tennessee is part of this vision, which will take electric vehicle battery manufacturing to new heights. While the heart of the electric vehicle revolution lies in the cars themselves, its lifeblood is the infrastructure that supports them. Recognizing this critical need, Ford is making a monumental and strategic investment in building a comprehensive network of charging stations across diverse regions of the country. This initiative is designed to systematically dismantle range anxiety, the single greatest concern for many potential electric vehicle buyers, and ensure that transitioning to an electric vehicle is a seamless and convenient experience. By making charging as accessible as refueling a conventional car, Ford is removing a significant barrier to entry, empowering people to buy and drive electric vehicles with unprecedented ease and confidence. However, Ford's electric revolution extends far beyond the assembly line and the charging port. It represents a profound commitment to national progress, creating a powerful ripple effect throughout the economy. This shift is catalyzing the creation of thousands of new jobs, not only in manufacturing but also in software development, battery technology, and the installation and maintenance of charging infrastructure. Furthermore, it is unlocking new business opportunities for suppliers, energy companies, and local entrepreneurs, fostering a fresh ecosystem of innovation. Ultimately, this comprehensive strategy is paving the way for a cleaner, greener future for the entire country. Central to Ford's mission is a deeply democratic vision, to provide practical, desirable, and affordable electric vehicles to ordinary people, ensuring that the benefits of cutting-edge green technology are not a luxury reserved for the wealthy, but an accessible option for everyone. The bottom line is that Ford is undergoing a fundamental transformation. It is no longer just a legendary car company. It is rapidly evolving into a multifaceted mobility company that is actively building the future. A future that is sustainable in its environmental impact, awe-inspiring in its technology, and most importantly, accessible to all. This is why Ford's bold electric journey is doing more than just disrupting the current automotive market. It possesses the profound potential to reshape and transform the entire industry's trajectory for generations to come. Now, let's shift our focus to a very different but equally awe-inspiring engineering marvel that has created a seismic stir across the entire automotive industry, the ZZ632 big block crate engine from General Motors, a name that is as formidable and commanding as the immense power it generates. With the ZZ632, GM's engineers left absolutely no stone unturned in their pursuit of ultimate naturally aspirated performance, crafting a powerhouse that proudly carries the title of the most powerful crate engine the company has ever built. This engine represents a thrilling transfer of technology, bringing the kind of cutting-edge innovation, materials, and sheer brute force that were once the exclusive domain of professional racing cars directly to the hands of enthusiasts for their own custom projects and production vehicles. This is not merely an engine, it is a mechanical monster, a testament to raw, unadulterated horsepower. Every aspect of its design, from the deep, aggressive rumble that erupts from its exhaust to its breathtaking, tire-shredding acceleration, is meticulously engineered to win the hearts of performance purists in a jiffy. It stands as a powerful symbol of the industry's enduring passion for internal combustion, even as it boldly charges into an electric future. Fire up this engine, and the world shakes. Its tremendous power doesn't feel like driving, it feels like flying. But is it just a speed game, or does it rewrite the rules? General Motors claims the ZZ632 isn't just about horsepower, it's engineering so advanced it can make every other vehicle feel outdated.